Turn signals and mirrors are important for safe driving. For cases where a part of the outside mirror of the C-Class wagon is broken. This film shows how the mirror can be disassembled into its separate parts. Start with the mirror glass. Adjust the mirror so that the mirror glass tilts outwards as much as possible at the top. After getting out of the vehicle, tilt the whole mirror backwards. Warning: you must wear gloves and safety glasses for this operation. Pieces of broken glass can release material which irritates the skin and eyes. Jerk the mirror glass forcefully to unclip it from anchoring at the top. Then disconnect the connectors that have been exposed. The mirror glass is thus removed. In order to remove the additional turn signal lamp, the paneling of the outside mirror has to be removed. Remove the 3 screws located behind the mirror glass. Use a flat-tip screwdriver to press down the tab on the panel. The frame is now loose and can be placed to one side. The outside mirror paneling is held together by a catch hook. Release this catch hook using an assembly wedge. The paneling can then be easily pulled away to the top and bottom. The integrated turn signal is removed along with the paneling. Next, unscrew the 2 screws on the inside of the panel. Then unclip the coupling from the panel. The turn signal now also has to be unclipped at the catch hooks. Now that the mirror is inoperative, it can be removed in its entirety. Open the driver door and window. Switch on the ignition briefly to do so, but then switch it back off. Use an assembly wedge to pry off the speaker box on the window. Disconnect the connectors underneath. Remove the foam padding. The panel covering the door control unit in the center of the door must be removed. There are connectors underneath it, and the 2 upper ones are for the mirror. Unclip the connectors from the anchoring to release the wiring harness. The mirror is now only held in place by the 3 screws on the speaker triangle. Loosen and remove these screws. Then pull the wiring harness through. The mirror is thereby removed.